Hi Chhaya, good evening.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm seeing you after a long time. How have you been?
It's been good. It's been good. How are
Very
you?
nice. I'm doing well. Sorry I'm late. There was no electricity because of rain in my area. So just
Okay.
got electricity back. Right.
Here it is
So
raining.
raining, yeah. Oh, for in Mumbai it's like flooded everywhere.
Yeah.
It's like yeah, everywhere.
Mumbai.
Yes.
Okay.
So
In Pune
yeah.
also, there is raining.
Pune also. In fact, yesterday my friend called me from Pune and said the same thing. She said we have no electricity, you
Yeah.
know. So there are a lot of issues with power supply, because of the rain. So many transformers going poof, like that. So yeah, so that's why. Anyways, you tell me, how are your sessions going?
My sessions was going good still.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Now I'm a little bit confident in
Very
front of
nice,
tutor also.
very nice, very
Yes.
nice.
For
That's
that I was not, but
huh.
right now I am.
Very good. I'm very happy to hear that. Okay. So, because see, confidence is the main thing. More
Yes.
than,
Yes.
learning grammar, more than vocabulary. See, we may know everything, may know
Yeah.
great grammar,
Exactly.
right? But if
Yes.
we don't have the confidence to speak, all that knowledge is of no use.
Yeah. Confidence is everything.
Everything, right? So I'm happy that you're saying, oh, my confidence at least is getting higher now, right?
Yeah.
When I'm speaking. Amazing, amazing. Okay. We have nice fun topic we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about tea time.
Tea time.
Indians and their tea time.
Tea time.
We know that every Indian home will have chai
Tea.
patti and chini, right?
Tea. Yes.
Will have
Tea. Yes.
to make at least have that one cup of tea in a day.
Now
Correct?
it's in my home. Now it's time to take a tea.
Yeah, I also just finished
Yes.
some time back. My daughter made tea, and I was like, yeah, please give me one cup of tea.
Yeah, and rainy
So,
season it is mandatory in every
right?
home.
Correct? Mandatory. Rainy season, chai, pakoda.
Pakoda.
It's like a combination, no?
Yes.
So, I would like to know from you, Chaya. Okay. Firstly, do you like tea? Because a lot of people don't drink tea.
Yes. When I was in college, that
Huh,
time I like the most. But
huh.
right now I am reducing that
Hmm. Hmm.
having that tea
I'm
consuming.
reducing my consumption. Hmm.
Yeah, I am reducing my consumption
Hmm.
nowadays.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Any reason why you feel okay, I need to cut down on my chai? Any
Yes.
particular
Uh,
reason? Hmm.
earlier I was consume a lot.
I was
Uh,
consuming.
yes,
Hmm.
I was consuming a lot.
Huh.
But, nowadays, because of some issue, because of tea, I reduce. But nowadays, right now, going some rainy season is going
Yeah.
on. So it's craving to take a tea.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely, right?
Yeah,
So, definitely. Now, especially in the rainy season, I also agree. Like, you want that little hot tea,
yeah,
that little, so yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Perfect. With your tea, what do you like having the most?
Uh, in my tea,
Yeah.
I like to have little bit sugar at
Hmm.
that
Yeah.
chai patti
Tea
and
leaves. Hmm.
tea
Tea
leaves and
leaves.
milk.
Milk. Okay. Do you
And
like to
also
add
gar,
huh,
not gar. What?
ginger?
Ginger. Yes, ginger.
Ginger, right?
Ginger
Okay.
or
Okay.
I don't know the
Right.
name in English. In
Gin. Say again.
I don't know the name in English.
Tell me in
So
Hindi.
Marathi in Marathi we can say uh, I also forgot in Marathi.
With ginger, something else. Elaichi.
Ilaichi or I don't know. There is a specific name, but right now I don't get it.
In the tea? Okay, okay. All right. I'm thinking what else people put in the chai. Ginger is very common, I know, right?
Yeah.
Ginger is common.
In
Card.
Marathi,
Huh.
yes, I
Hmm.
remember right
Huh.
now.
Huh.
In Marathi, we can say gauti chaha. It is a
I
pet.
love that. Lemongrass.
Yes, it is a
Ah, I
pet.
also put in my tea that.
Yeah, I like more this
Yeah.
have the
Me too. Me too. For me also. I want
uh,
to have little of that lemongrass,
and
gauti chai.
it is like a flavor like means
Yeah.
we have craving to
Yeah,
have
yeah,
that.
yeah. Me too. I like that lemongrass. It's in English we call it lemongrass. In
Uh,
Hindi, of course, we say hara. Like when I go to my sabji wala, I'll
yeah,
tell him wo hara chai ka patti.
yeah,
So
yeah.
then he'll give me, you know.
Yes.
So so
In my
yeah, yeah.
hometown, there
Huh.
are many plants of that.
Ah, yes. My hometown as well. So I have a big outside my house growing. So I just go cut little and put it
Yeah,
in
yeah.
my chai. Same. Right. Ah, that even I like. Ginger and that. My favorite to have
Yes.
chai like that. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay. Perfect. What okay, with the chai, what do you like to eat? Like a lot of people like biscuits, some people like bread toast, some people like pakoras, vada pav. What do you like to eat?
I like to have at that time uh, biscuits, that
Hmm.
marigold
Hmm.
biscuit that I
Hmm.
like,
Hmm.
and also toast.
Hmm. Nice.
Both.
Okay. Great. Perfect. All right. Right. Now, Chaya, tell me, now you've attended so many sessions, right?
Yes,
Uh, Even now, like currently, do you
yes,
feel that, okay, this one thing is still a challenge for me while I'm speaking in English or while I'm communicating? What is
yes,
that challenge?
yes. Right now, I'm pretty confident in front of tutor, and but I know grammar, but while speaking, I did mistake. I
I
do
make.
mistake.
I
I
make.
make mistake. I want to reduce that, so I
Hmm.
am working for that.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes,
Hmm. I'm
this is
working
little bit.
on that. Working on.
Yes, I'm
Hmm.
working on that,
Hmm.
and this
Hmm.
is little bit challenging for me. In spite, I know the grammar, but while speaking, I do mistake.
I
So I
make.
want to work.
Make.
I make mistake.
Hmm.
Yes, and I
Hmm.
want to work on that.
Okay, all right. Now, good way to start working on grammar and getting it to becoming better is actually working on grammar. For example, what I mean by that, you
Yes,
have to take 10 minutes in a day to do grammar activities. Okay, because see, now grammar has many different concepts: preposition, article, subject, verb, tenses, right? All of
yes,
these make parts of speech. Like if you speak a sentence, every word in that sentence is some grammar, correct?
yes. But
Right?
I don't want to get into grammar right nowadays because I
Hmm.
want to just speak.
Hmm. Hmm.
Because I know the grammar, but
Hmm.
I make mistake. So
Hmm.
I want to
Okay.
work on that, but I don't know. Means I don't know how I work on that.
Okay.
So now
Simple. Hmm.
yes,
Hmm. Yeah.
I'm. This is a challenge for me nowadays.
Hmm. 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 Okay.
Challenging.
No worries. Okay. Simple way. Like, see, whatever is our area of improvement, right? We have to understand that the more we keep practicing on it, the better it will get for us, right? So
Yes,
if grammar is a challenge, right,
yes,
and you feel that okay, this is one aspect that I need to get better at. Now, how there are multiple ways you can do it. A, 10 minutes in a day you do some grammar worksheets or grammar activities. That is one way.
okay,
Second, okay, what you can do is you think of a topic, any topic, even your daily routine,
yeah,
right? Even your daily routine, okay? Whenever you get the time, 10 minutes, get your phone out, right? And record yourself talking. 2
Okay.
minutes or 3 minutes on something. Okay,
Yes.
my daily routine today I did this. Or today I will speak about monsoons, right? Today I will speak about recycling. Today I'll speak about yoga. Okay, now record yourself doing that 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, then watch your recording, Chaya. When
Yes.
you're listening to yourself, you'll understand. Ah, see, instead of saying I do mistake, I should have said I make
I make
mistake,
mistake.
right?
Yes.
Instead
Yes.
of saying I want to work with that, I should say I want to work on that,
Right. Yes.
right? Right.
Yes.
But
Yes.
this awareness of what is right and wrong will only come, Chaya, when you know what is correct grammar. If you don't know what is correct grammar, how will you know what is right from wrong? Right? That is
Yes. Yes.
why I tell everybody at least 5 to 10 minutes in a day, at least understand what is the grammar concept.
Yes. Yes.
Understand why I should say on. Understand why I should say at. Okay, when I
Yes.
should say
Yes.
with.
My pronunciation little bit means confusing. So also I want work on
Yeah.
that.
But that is fine. See, take one thing at a time. Don't do too many things, because then what will happen is the focus will get divided, right? So
Yes.
first you fix your grammar, because that is the backbone of any language, your grammar,
Yeah.
right? Pronunciation and all, over a period of time you have to practice sounds. That is fine. That will come later. Okay. First main priority is to work on the grammar,
Mm.
right? So you start focusing on that. So now you know, okay, I have an issue with prepositions. I don't know when to say incorrectly, when to say at, when to say on, when to say with. Okay, so next 2 3 days, let me just 10 minutes spend time on
On
doing some grammar activity on prepositions only, not
okay.
everything. Okay, just prepositions, right?
Yes.
Focus on one concept at a time. Just focus on that one thing, get better at it, then move on. Then get better at it, move on. Okay? So
Mm.
that is how slowly and steadily. You're a yoga teacher, right?
Yes.
You teach pranayam, you teach asanas, right? Now, if your learner is not doing the pranayam correctly, you'll not just say, no, ah, theek hai, you do it on your own, let's move on to something else. No.
Yes. Yes.
You'll say, till you don't get your breathing correct, right?
Yes.
Till you don't get your stretch and your asana correct, we're not going to move to the next one,
Yeah.
right? You get this correct, then we'll move to the next one, right?
Yes.
Similarly with us as well. When we want to improve on a skill, focus on one thing first, get that to be better, then move on to other things, right? That is
Yeah.
important. So take now, start with prepositions, right? Next 2 3 days, and it's so simple, Chaya. Go to ChatGPT or any AI assistant that you use, or Google that you use. Just give command. Just write a prompt. Activities to practice preposition. That's it,
Okay.
right? You'll get a lot of activities like that. In fact, we're going to do one now in our session, right? So you get a better understanding how you can go about doing it and make it fun for yourself. Okay.
Yes.
So one sec. Now I'm sending you some sentences in the chat box. Okay. Now I'm going to also send you prepositions. Now you have to think, okay, which preposition is going to fit in that blank so the message or the meaning of that sentence is proper.
Okay.
Okay, right? Hmm.
The picture is just the one.
Right? So words like on, in, with, next to, for, at, these are all prepositions.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, how you use your preposition will tell the listener what you're trying to say.
Okay.
Anything that is on the surface, you will always use
Yes.
on,
One.
right?
The
Picture
picture is
is
on the wall.
on the wall because it's on the surface, no? Right?
Yes.
Okay. For example, The book is on the table.
On the
If
table.
you've kept the book on the table, where is the book? On the
On
table.
the table.
Because it's on the surface. Anything that's on surface becomes on. Okay. Now look
Yes.
at the second sentence. The dog is hiding. When you say hiding, which means chup rehna, correct?
Yeah.
Right? So the dog is hiding behind the
Un-
bed, under the bed,
Under the bed.
right?
Yes.
Under, behind, next to,
Next to.
right? So if you're speaking, or your listener will know, under मतलब बेड के नीचे है ना, पीछे
Yes.
will be behind, correct?
Behind.
So they'll understand clear meaning, right?
Yes.
We have English class on Monday.
On Monday.
Now remember, whenever you have days of the week, okay, days of the week, which is
Yes.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever, right, till Sunday.
Okay.
Whenever you have days of the week, you will always say on.
On.
It's a rule. You'll never
Yes.
say in. You'll not say, my yoga class is in Monday. No, my
No.
yoga class is
On Monday.
on Monday. Okay, right?
Yes.
Now, next, the keys are dash my bag.
In my bag.
Very good. Because inside, no? So you'll
Yes.
say in my bag. Okay.
Keep
The
in
teacher is standing dash the students.
next to the student.
Very good. Next to the students, near the students, okay? Between the students, okay?
Yes.
These are prepositions which show us location. Where is the teacher standing? Okay?
Yeah.
Like you will not say the teacher is standing on the students. Incorrect.
Yes.
ऊपर नहीं खड़े ना टीचर, राइट? बगल में है, बीच में है, so you'll use correct preposition, okay?
Yes.
My father comes home dash 6 p.m.
At 6 p.m. p.m.
Very good. When it's time, any preposition that you want to say with time will have at.
At.
Okay? Right? The children are playing dash the garden.
Are playing in the garden.
Very good. Right? They're playing in the garden. Okay? She's looking dash her glasses.
She is looking to her glasses.
No. She's looking for.
She is looking for
Because you're searching, no? You're looking, where is my chashma ka hai? Where is my glasses? So I'm looking for my
for
glasses.
glasses.
Okay, right? The
Yes.
train leaves dash 9:15.
At 9:50
Very good, because it's time, right?
time.
So you'll always say at. Okay.
At,
I usually have dinner dash my family.
with my family.
Very good. With सबके साथ, है ना? So I have
Yes.
dinner with my family. These are activities you need to do, Chaya.
Yes.
10 minutes, that's it. You don't have to spend too much time.
Yeah.
Make grammar fun for yourself to do. And activities like this is fun. You're thinking, what should I put? In or an? What should I put? Right? Correct?
Yes.
So get prepositions to becoming better for you. See, the more your grammar will get better, no Chaya, the more your confidence will increase.
Yes.
Because with grammar, I will not make a mistake because I know my concepts. I've practiced enough on grammar. I've understood the concepts.
Yes.
Correct? So work on grammar. Don't focus so much now on sounds, pronunciation. Those are easy things to do, right?
Yeah.
Grammar is the tough thing. So make it easy, do activities like this on a daily basis, right? Then it will become easier and better for you,
Sure.
right? Any questions, any doubts that you'd like to ask me?
No, I don't have any doubt.
Hmm. Very good. So I will see you soon for our next session. Keep practicing, okay?
Yes.
And have a good evening. Enjoy the rains.
Good evening.